Boy. Boy, this is a snowy day outside. I'm not sure. Boy, this is bad storm. On this February day. I don't know what the day it is. It is February 26, 2013. And it's a Tuesday. So, this is my look for my new camera. For my Sony Bloggy. This is what it's coming to you from. It is bad. Too bad for... The roads are bad. This road is bad. It is nasty. See a car driving through safely through the snow. There is Paige.
Hi, Dad.
Sneaking into my camera. Holy smokies. It is bad out there.
Yeah.
Really bad. Let's look outside. Holy camole. It is bad outside like never before.
I know.
It is. Boy. This is nasty out there. The snow is coming down the same way it has been out in the front yard. This is the backyard I'm looking at. And by the way, Sue, I'm doing a video.
I am.
So, what do you think about this bad weather there, Tia?
I do not like it. My tires stink.
Yeah. Man, everyone, including me, doesn't like the bad weather. So that's it for now.